Nested functions in Python allow functions to be defined within other functions, enhancing code organization and encapsulation. This technique leverages scope, enabling inner functions to access variables from their enclosing scope, creating powerful programming patterns. Understanding these concepts is crucial for writing elegant, maintainable code that efficiently handles complex tasks. Nested functions in Python are defined within another function, allowing access to the outer function's variables. This encapsulation enhances code maintainability and privacy. For instance, an inner function can utilize the outer function's parameters, forming closures that retain state across calls, exemplified by the ability to create factory functions without classes. Nested functions are defined within another function, allowing access to the outer function's variables. This encapsulation enhances data privacy and enables closures. For instance, in outer function, inner function accesses X, creating a closure. This pattern supports factory functions and encapsulation without classes, as shown when add5 returns 8 by remembering X.